Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Blooms and greens in container gardens bring forth a symphony of color and textures, transforming limited spaces into vibrant oases. Container gardening allows for a creative interplay of flowers and foliage, offering endless possibilities for personal expression. The juxtaposition of blooming flowers such as petunias, marigolds, or geraniums with lush greenery like ferns, ivy, or escallops create a dynamic visual feast. The confined environment of container fosters controlled growth, making it easier to manage and maintain an aesthetically pleasing arrangement. From balconies to patios, these portable gardens infuse life into urban landscapes, connecting individuals with nature even in the midst of city living. Carefully chosen containers ranging from ceramic pots to rustic wooden crackers add an additional layer of style to the overall composition. Container gardens offer flexibility, allowing plants to be rearranged seasonally or based on personal preferences. The combination of blooms and greens in these portable heavens not only enhances the visual appeal of outdoor spaces but also provides a therapeutic retreat, inviting individuals to savor the beauty of nature in their own curated corner. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.